Hello everyone, myself Samhita. Now I am here to explain you how to create an application using Express.js and Firestore database. For this I have created one main folder. Inside the main folder there are two subfolders, public and views. In public there are the static files main.html and styles.css, and views there are EJS files login and sign up EJS, and I have written some JS code. Let me explain you the JS code which I have written for this. Here the JS code contains some of the packages: Express, Express Session, Firebase Admin. Let me explain these uses. Express is used to create a server, and Express Session is to handle the sessions. Firebase Admin is to interact with the Firebase, and Body Parser is to parse incoming request bodies, and Bcrypt is to hash passwords, and path is to handle file and directory paths. And here the key.json, it initializes the Firebase admin. And next here the middleware configuration, it tells about here the body parson.url encoded is to parse from data. Express.static is to serve static files from public directory, and here EJS is to set up EJS as templating engine and configures the views directory. And here the session configuration, which is used to set up the session handling with a secret key and other options. And next here .get/login, it is used to renders the login page, and .post/login is used to handle the login from the submission, like it validates the email and password. Here it checks if the user already exists in the Firestores, and it compares the user exists in the Firestore. It compares the password provided or given is matched with the hashed password or not, and it sets up user session and redirects to the main.html after success. And if there is any error, it gives error during login or internal server error. And this .get/signup, it handles sign up submissions. It renders to the sign up page, and .post handles the sign up from submissions. And here this is used to validate email and passwords. Here it checks if the user is already existed or not, and here it checks the password is matched with the hashed password or not. And if all these done successfully, it will redirects to the main.html. And here this is used to start my server on the port 5000, which is which I already given here. So my port will start on a specified port 5000, and here my login.ejs code, and here comes my signup.ejs code. My main.html contains the code for to-do list. So this is my main.html. Here my key.json, which I got from generating a private key in the Firestore database. And if I need to run this express.js, I need to install all these packages in my terminal. I already imported all these packages. So let me run node express.js. Server is running on port 5000, and next let me go for sign up page. I'm giving some username. And I'm giving some password. signing up. So it redirects into the main page. Here my main page is about to-do list. So I can add any things to do in this to-do list. So it will store in Firestore database. In this way, all the information, all the emails and passwords is stored. Password is stored in a hash way. So this is about sign up, and if I want to log in, using the same mail, I need to log in. If I entered some incorrect password, then it will give incorrect password here. So if I enter the right password, it will goes to the main page. And if already existed user, I have given some email which is already existed, then it will give the user is already existed here. That means user already exists. In this way it works, and all the information is stored in my Firebase like this. Thank you very much.